Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by validating prerequisites and installing the terminal you want. First, confirm available terminal binaries in /usr/bin so you know exact names. Then, install the new terminal with apt. This ensures dependencies and correct binary paths. Once done, check the current default using Update Alternatives display for Xterminal Emulator and echo $term to see runtime value. These steps set up the system, so changing the default is deterministic and safe, not guesswork. Now configure the Debian alternative system so the system default points to your chosen terminal. Use sudo update alternatives config Xterminal Emulator to see options and type the selection number. This makes the change system-wide. If your terminal binary isn't listed, add it with sudo update alternatives install, specifying the link, name, full binary path, and priority. After selecting, double-check the /usr/bin symlink and run which Xterminal Emulator to confirm the path is updated, because desktop menus follow this link. Finish by syncing desktop environment settings so launcher shortcuts call the new terminal. For GNOME-based shells, use G-settings to set the default terminal exec. For XFCE or others, check their settings GUI or desktop files. Then log out and back in, or restart the display manager to ensure menus and key bindings adopt the change. If something breaks, you can revert using Update Alternatives config Xterminal Emulator or inspect and remove any local desktop overrides in /.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.